All right, hello everyone. I know that I talked about in previous videos about a job that I had where I negotiated the highest salary, and also about the job classification. So I took an early retirement from this job, so I don't know if I'm appreciation deprived, but they actually sent a box to me. Yay! It's kind of sort of an unboxing because I kind of know what it is, but I just think that appreciation goes a long way. It's not even that I need this stuff, it's just that they took time to send it. Here are some things that they sent. This is part of the open enrollment. So here's some things that they sent. They actually sent this cup, which I thought was pretty cool. So I see some people taking that from me. They sent, even though I don't think I'm gonna use it, they sent a little eyeglass holder, which I think is pretty cool. I might use it for some jewelry. And they sent a little sanitizer thing. I'm not gonna put up the other side because it shows where the company is. I thought that was nice. And the last thing they actually sent was a kind of something that lights up. So I'm gonna see if I can turn it on. So you can see that it lights up. So, you know, it's just the small things. You don't have to spend a lot of money to appreciate your employees. And okay, now I need to turn this thing off. Turn off. Get off. Off. I guess that would make sense if I turn it off, right? So it doesn't take a lot of money to appreciate your staff. I mean, I did a training last month or a couple months ago where I gave away hand sanitizer. I put it in a little Ziploc bag to show my appreciation because let me put it this way. There's some niceties that I would like to be able to afford the employees that are not currently being provided to me. So sometimes I get some little niceties, samples from, whether it's from a company like Avon or Target, but just something to express my appreciation. This came, like I said, this came in a box and it was from my former employer. So I just really appreciate it, and it kind of touched my heart. It was not the most perfect place. It wasn't the best job, but then too, it wasn't either. So again, they didn't have to do that. They could have just opted to not do that and keep that money, but the company, they use certain health insurance agencies and they partnered with them and did this nice thing. The other thing that they did was they went ahead and added the incentive points to the health insurance. You don't have to call, you don't have to do anything. And the employee pack they provided was very user-friendly, and they really gave a lot of explanation. So, you know, when I was there, I didn't appreciate all the things I had there. And sometimes it takes leaving and taking another job to appreciate what you previously had. So I hope that everyone enjoyed this unboxing. Again, thank you so much for joining me on my journey, and you can go to the About section to learn the other places I am on social media. Thank you so much, and wishing you a safe and prosperous day. Bye. I think I mentioned before that I worked at a job that let me start over again. Hello. Welcome to my unofficial,